Today we're featuring one of my favorite dishes, pasta al limone. Today I'm using spaghetti with lemon sauce as a favorite. And here we are, we're going to begin with my rendition, which I use equal parts of very good butter and olive oil, about equal parts. You can measure it, I eyeball it. And we're going to let that just sort of melt together. And then we're going in and adding basil. Today I'm using basil. Actually, I accidentally put it in the freezer last night when I came home from the grocery store. And it's fresh basil, but it was in the freezer. And you can actually do that and it'll last quite a while too. So we're going to go ahead and let it all sort of marry together. I already grated a whole lemon and it's going in there right now, and it's all marrying together. A light saute. Watch your pan so it doesn't get too hot. You want to be very careful. You're going to be watching over it carefully and just making sure slowly that all the flavors are blending together. So you definitely want to give it some care and attention. It's a quick dish, but it needs the attention in the 5 minutes that it literally takes to make. You just gather a little bit of ingredients together. I did squeeze a whole entire lemon. I went ahead and squeezed part of the lemon earlier, and then for demonstration, I'm squeezing the other half. So this is a full lemon going in, and that's what I use the rind as, to grate the rind and then get it into the sauce as well. So real time here, guys, I am taking out the seeds of the lemon because they can have a tendency to fall in. So you just want to watch that, and I don't think you want anyone to get a piece of lemon in their mouth, lemon seed in their mouth. A lot of lemon we love, but the lemon seed can be a little bit bitter and go down not so easily. I had a little splash of lemon juice left. I don't like to not use everything that I have, so I went ahead and finished it off with that. And now I'm going in with just a little bit of salt, pinch of salt. I'll have all the ingredients listed below, but it was a pinch of salt, and then you're going to go in and stir, lightly stir. Again, it's on medium heat, not super high, just enough to get that little sizzle and bubble. And then now, just before I started to get everything going, I pre-prepped some things. I grated freshly. This is Parmigiano. You can use pecorino. I do prefer Parmigiano for this dish, but you can interchange it. So as that's simmering, put it on low and then go in, and I like to get two pans going at the same time. So I was letting the pasta water boil so then I can get the spaghetti in at the same time that I was doing the sauce. So there we are, just sauteing the spaghetti. I really can't wait. I couldn't wait to bite into this. A little bit of salt in my water. I eyeball it, but I will have measurements below. Again, I'm a firm believer in al dente. You really want to watch that spaghetti. You don't want to get it mushy. That is the worst. And I don't like to get rid of food, but if it did that, it's not pretty. So once the spaghetti is finished, you're going to go in and add it to the sauce, and you're going to stir it all together so all the flavors start to mix together with the lemon and the butter and the olive oil and the cheese. I added, on the side, I did add a little bit of pasta water to get that little creamy texture. Sometimes if it's not liquid enough, that pasta water is perfect. So you always want to have a little bit on the side to add into your sauce. And now I'm going to go ahead and plate it. And it came out lovely. Of course, a beautiful bowl always really levels up the flavors and the look. As we know, we feast with our eyes first. I'm a firm believer in that. I was raised to serve on beautiful plates, and I'm still doing it, and I think it makes a great difference, even for every day. Get yourself some beautiful dishes. And again, going in with the cheese, you cannot have enough cheese. And I went in also with the lemon zest again. I saved some for the topping. And there you have a beautiful, amazing, quick dish.